Right in front of the tree.
Grant, stop for a second.
What is this? It looks like it's for a baby.
Grant, don't sit on it. You don't know what's in it, son. Don't sit on it. It could break. You don't know what's in it.
It's a nice video.
Oh, cool. That's cool. I might also like that.
What is this?
I might also like this.
Looks like it's for a girl.
Charlotte, what is it, honey?
Even though it's for girls, I don't think I'll like it.
You might, honey.
Because it does once.
What is it, Charlotte?
Come here, Grant.
Hey, Grant,
Charlotte, what is it?
Grant, here's your Lego deal. That looks really interesting.
What is it? Who is it?
Charlotte, talk, honey.
Cinderella!
Is this Cinderella Castle?
Yeah.
Cinderella too.
Wow.